Okay, this is the cul-de-sac. You have a little porch here. But when you get in, there's the formal dining. On the opposite side, you have a formal living. This is the coat closet. And right over here we have the kitchen. Pantry. Gas stove. These are nice cabinets. Double door fridge. And this is your main living area. Okay. From the living, you go to the master. It's a decent size. And that's your master bath with double sink, jacuzzi tub, and separate shower. And this is the walk-in closet. On the other side of the house, we have this area right here, which this is like a connecting room. So here you have access to one room here. And then on the other side of the connecting room, we have access to the second room, which they both have walk-in closets. You have a half bed here. And then from here you have access to the screening patio. And there is a dog there. I'm sorry, I won't be able to get out. Now, back to the connected room, you have stairs that take you upstairs. So you have a bonus room. It's pretty huge. And you have coat closet here, linen here. It has its own fan, and you have a separate bed. Do you think I can have access to the outside so I can take a video of what the dog is there? So
I'll bring you in.
Thank you. Yay, we made it. This is a nice screened-in patio. It's pretty good size, as you can see. Let me take you out to the yard. I don't think it's screened in. I don't think it's all fenced in, but let me double check. Actually, it is. We'll make sure it's fenced in from the other side as well. Yes, it is. So you can let the girls run here freely.